Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull out the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to access the flange of the cabin filter located at the bottom of the windshield frame. Remove the cabin filter flange cover by unscrewing the 6 screws using a ratchet, an extension and an 8mm socket. Remove the cover. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Remove the filter by pulling apart the 3 retaining tabs. There are 2 types of cabin filters. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first one helps prevent dust from entering, while the second filters are both for dust and gases. The choice is yours. Take the new filter. Put the new filter in place, paying attention to the direction of the airflow. The arrows on the filter must point downwards. Insert the 2 plastic lugs first. Then lock the filter with the 3 tabs. Put the flange back on. Then screw the cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.